A stand mixer can turn time-consuming mixing, kneading, and whipping into a quick hands-free step in your recipes. But not every model has the power, capacity, or attachments you might need. In this video to the best stand mixers, we'll compare performance, bowl sizes, durability, and value so you can choose the right machine for your kitchen. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the KUCCU Tilt-Head Stand Mixer. If you're ready to take your home baking more seriously, the KUCCU Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is built to keep up with you. Its 6.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl gives you plenty of room for big batches of bread dough, cookie dough, cake batter, pastries, muffins, and waffles. So you're not constantly stopping to remix smaller portions powered by a 660-watt motor. This mixer delivers strong, consistent performance for both light and heavy mixtures. You get 6 precise speed options, from a slow stir to a fast whip, so you can gently fold delicate ingredients or power through thick doughs with confidence. The 360-degree planetary mixing action helps pull ingredients from the sides and bottom of the bowl, giving you smooth, even results. The tilt head design lets you quickly lift the head to add ingredients or swap attachments, and pressing the button cuts the power immediately for added safety. Strong silicone suction cups on the base help keep the mixer steady, reducing vibration and preventing it from walking across your counter during heavy mixing, low-noise operation. Overload and overheating protection and dishwasher-safe attachments round out the design, so you can bake more and worry less. If you want a sturdy, capable mixer that supports your creativity in the kitchen, this model is ready to be part of your everyday baking routine. At number 4, Aucma Tilt-Head Stand Mixer. If you love baking for family, friends, or just for yourself, the Aucma Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is designed to make the process smoother and less tiring. Its 660-watt high-performance pure copper motor gives you plenty of power for everything from light batters to thick bread dough, while the sturdy acrylonitrile butadiene styrene housing keeps it stable on your counter. With 6 optimized speeds plus a pulse function, you can match the power to each task. Slow for gentle mixing, faster for whipping and kneading, without overwhelming your ingredients. The 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl offers enough capacity for larger batches of cakes, breads, cookies, pastries, muffins, and waffles. Dual handles make it easier to lift, pour, and carry, especially when the bowl is full. When you're done, the bowl and attachments are dishwasher safe, helping you save time on cleanup. The tilt head design lets you quickly lift the head to add ingredients, change attachments, or scrape the bowl, giving you better access and less mess. A stainless steel decorative belt and blue LED power indicator add a modern touch, so it looks as good as it works on your countertop. If you're ready to move beyond a hand mixer and want a reliable, powerful tool that supports your baking habits, this stand mixer is ready to keep up with your kitchen creativity. Number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. If you want baking to feel easier, more consistent, and a lot less tiring, the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer is ready to take over the hard work for you with a 300-watt motor and a 4-quart stainless steel bowl. You can comfortably handle thick cookie doughs, bread doughs, cake batters, and cupcake mixes without wearing out your arms. The planetary mixing action rotates the beaters around the entire bowl, pulling ingredients in from the sides and bottom for even hands-free mixing. You get smooth, well-combined results without constantly stopping to scrape, similar to what you'd expect from more expensive stand mixer brands. You stay in control with 7 speeds that let you match the power to the task. The slow first speed is especially useful for starting bread dough, gently combining dry ingredients into wet and reducing splatter when you're adding flour or powdered sugar. A handy mixing guide printed on top of the mixer helps you quickly choose the right speed for whipping, beating, or kneading, so you don't have to guess. With included attachments like the dough hook and flat beater, you're ready to tackle everyday recipes right away. If you're looking to step up from a hand mixer or just want something that makes baking feel smoother and more reliable, this Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer fits easily into your kitchen and supports you from simple bakes to more ambitious projects. At number 2, KUCCLEE Tilt-Head Stand Mixer. If you're the one who's always baking for family, friends, or parties, the KUCCLEE Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is built to match your pace in the kitchen. The generous 9.5 quart stainless steel bowl gives you space to mix big batches of bread dough, cookie dough, cake batter, or mashed potatoes without constantly stopping to divide everything into smaller portions. Powered by a 660-watt motor, this mixer has the strength to handle thick, heavy mixes while keeping noise lower than you might expect. The tilt-head design makes it easy to add ingredients, swap attachments, and scrape down the sides, and the planetary mixing action helps ensure everything is blended evenly from top to bottom. You're in control of the texture. Multiple speed settings let you choose the right pace for every job. Faster speeds for whipping cream or kneading tough doughs, slower speeds for gently folding and combining delicate ingredients. When you just need a quick mix, the pulse function gives you a short burst of power without overworking your batter. With a sturdy construction and dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is simpler, and the mixer is ready to go again when you are. If you're ready to move past a hand mixer or outgrow a smaller bowl, this stand mixer gives you the capacity and control to take on more ambitious recipes with confidence. And finally, the number one of our list, KitchenAid Artisan Series Tilt-Head Stand Mixer. If you love baking or want to level up from a hand mixer, the KitchenAid Artisan Series Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is built to make your time in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. With a 5-quart removable bowl, you can comfortably mix cookie batches, bread doughs, cake batter, or mashed potatoes for family dinners and small gatherings without constantly stopping to scrape and split batches. The 10-speed slide control lets you dial in exactly how you want to mix, from an ultra-slow stir for gently combining dry ingredients to a steady medium speed for everyday mixing, all the way up to a very fast whip for airy meringues and whipped cream. You stay in control of texture instead of trying to guess with just 1 or 2 speeds. Its tilt-head design gives you better access to the bowl, so adding ingredients, checking consistency, or scraping down the sides feels straightforward and less messy. The sturdy zinc construction and 325-watt motor provide the strength you need for thicker doughs and long mixing times, while the 36-inch cord length gives you enough flexibility to place it where it works best on your counter. If you want a reliable stand mixer that can grow with your skills and handle everything from simple batters to more ambitious recipes, this Artisan model is a solid long-term kitchen partner. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which stand mixer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.